As a quick reminder about what we mean by master data, it's data about key business concepts for which there should be a single consistent view, even though it might be used by many different systems and business processes. Understanding where that same data exists in more than one place in the organization, mapping out the directional flow of that data and determining what is the most authoritative source is the quickest way to get a grip on the biggest value chain for your data. Aligning this data across the business and improving the flow will give you an immediate uplift in data quality, improved analytics, and better commercial decisions can start being made. Why is this so critical? Because of the type of data we're talking about. Here in the model, we've got master data split into two aspects. Enterprise structure data. This will include things like people, departments, chart of accounts, cost centers, and your transaction structure data, things between which business transactions typically happen. So things like customer, supplier, product, and service. You know, that's really your core value chain. It's the things that you buy and sell. It's the way that your organization makes money. It's not to say that this is a quick or easy task to do. For one client, it took 6 to 12 months to map and cleanse and align product data across half a dozen core systems. And for client data, it took a whole lot more time because it's more difficult, because client data is larger, it's more complex, and less within an organization's control. But the benefits for nailing it can be huge, you know, with improved data quality, improved product offerings, better consumer insight, and more effective marketing. We've got various tools that help us with mapping out master data. This is one of the simplest ones and is a good starting point. So for a given set of data that you're interested in, you can map out where the data is captured, what the most authoritative source is, and where that data is fed. This can immediately show you where you might have some areas of risk. For example, if we look at the price book line there, we can see that there are two systems, both purportedly containing the master version of the data. And with product terms and conditions, we can see that there's no master version of the data and it's coming from multiple sources. So that could also be problematic. Within this tool, we also have another sheet so we can map the as is state and the to be state, and then, you know, some logic which shows the changes that you need to get from A to B. So the third thing is data quality. It's another biggie though. Imagine a world where you had ready access to up-to-date, high-quality information about operational efficiency, your corporate goals, market trend analysis and financials, and you had a high-level trust and confidence in all of your data. How fast would you be able to get things done and grow the business? Well, that's the goal, and here are some steps as to how we get there.